What's up guys, welcome to our vlog. So today we're gonna have a challenge, a 15-minute challenge trying to find the universal cheat code of the Fibonacci sequence and the golden ratio. So we've gathered two teams to participate in this challenge, Team A and Team B. They're each gonna have 15 minutes to run around campus trying to find Fibonacci sequence and golden ratio. They're each gonna try to find a spiral, flower, and a card. So let me introduce you to our teams. Let's go. What's up guys? So we have Team A and Team B. So let's introduce our participants. So what's your name?
Hi, my name is Cedric Gazaya Flores Pakaraeg.
You're how many years old are you?
I'm 18 years old.
So that's Team A, and now we have Team B. What's your name?
My name is Azer Cairo.
Azer Cairo. How old are you?
I'm 17.
17. So let me explain the rules to you guys. So our rules are gonna be you have 15 minutes to run around campus to find 3 pictures of things that include the Fibonacci sequence and the golden ratio. So you're gonna find a spiral, any kind of spiral, a water spiral, a staircase spiral, any kind of spiral. A flower that shows the Fibonacci sequence, and lastly a card. Do you understand the rules?
Yes.
You understand the rules?
Yes.
Contestants ready? You have 15 minutes to find the Fibonacci sequence within the campus. Okay.
3, 2, 1.
15 minutes starts now.
Okay, let's go.
First flower, spiral.
Yup.
Saan ba yung feel ko may flower dito eh.
Madami talagang flower dyan. Kailangan mo lang hanapin yung pasok sa Fibonacci sequence.
Card mo na kaya?
Card.
Presents mo, tas akin.
Sure.
Matungit ako ba yung mukha ko?
Wag.
Ah.
Card.
Pwede?
Pwede.
I-picture, no?
Yup. Tsura mo muna. Okay, tanggal na sa checklist yung card. 2 more left. Go.
Flower pattern siya, boy. Ayan, boy, yung monumento na yan. And boy. Tingnan natin. Ayan, boy, oh. Turo mo, boy.
Flower pattern.
Ano nga, no?
Picture natin.
Sige, boy. Okay, boy. Tara, ano mo?
Tingnan mo. Pakita mo. Hindi ka mag-flower.
Mukha naman siyang flower, yeah. Pero sa tingin mo, pasok siya sa Fibonacci sequence. May pattern ba siya?
Spiral.
Nasaan?
Yun, sa taas. Pakita mo. Doon mo. Yan.
Okay. Spiral. Picturean mo muna.
Last.
Last na yung flower. Ano? Parang may nakikita ko dun sa harap.
Flower niya. Ayun, may nakikita ako dun, boy, oh. Banda dun. Dun sa... dun. Basta malapit sa library. Tara. Tara. Ay, boy, meron ako nakita flower dun.
Oo nga, may flower dyan. So, kukuha tayo ng dalawang flower para in case pipili ng tao kung ano mas maganda.
Oo. Ay, boy!
Spiral.
Spiral, boy, oh.
Pwede. Pwede.
Ayan, boy. Sige. Tara.
Pakita mo. Kaso malayo siya.
Pink. Ah.
Ano ba yung mga na-picture ko?
Hanap ka pa, kulang pa daw.
Talaga ba? Meron ang dami.
Oo.
Tingin tayo
Sige.
Ano pinanganak ng flower?
Card, flower, and
Ikaw
spiral.
ano yan, boy?
Yup.
Ugali mo. Spiral ba, boy? Ay! Boy, parang spiral yun, oh. Ayun, oh, pag ganun siya, oh.
Taas.
Pag ganun, oh. Ano? Kunin mo, boy. Kunin mo. Tayo na panalo sa challenge dyan. Spiral yan. Diba?
Ay, isa pang mais bigyan.
Sumo.
Ay, ito. Ay. Mukha ba ng spiral?
Di ko alam. Mukha ba siyang spiral?
Card. Flower.
Okay.
Pwede ba yan? Picture din?
Yeah.
Parang hindi naman siya flower.
Flower yan, sabi ko.
Spiral.
ID card ko pa din.
Ay, yung lisensya, oh. Kunin mo, boy.
Yan.
And boy.
Ano saan mo gusto? Dito o dito?
Yung dito na lang, boss. Bayaan mo na.
Oh,
Hindi
yeah.
naman ako maano. Picture mo, boss. Yan. Yan.
Portrait natin.
Yan.
Po-portrait ko din.
Now the final part of the vlog is the judging time. So each contestant has successfully captured 3 photos including the Fibonacci sequence. So let's judge each team first. Team A. Spiral from the pillars. I like the ambience. Pretty good. The flower. The flower's really pretty. Kinda. The background's kinda it's too light, if you ask me. Now the card. Decent. It looks like someone took it and just took a picture of it. But I'll rate it a solid 3.5. Now for Team B. Oh, spiral. The spiral is really creative, if you ask me, because it's from a lamppost. It's not really specifically a spiral, but the post that's holding the lamp is a spiral. Multiple spirals, actually. The flower is sort of basic. It's just a random flower, but it does show Fibonacci sequence. I mean, it's an ID, I guess. It's a Fibonacci sequence. So, overall, I'll give this one a good rating, but I wouldn't give it better because the flower is better, the ID is sort of better, and it doesn't show the ID. And I'm giving it to Team A, and I'm giving it I'm giving Team B a total of 3.2. To be fair, the spiral was good. The spiral was good. I can't lie. Now, punishment. With punishment, guys.
Kalamansi.
Calamansi. Good luck.
Okay.